Hi everyone! Welcome back to Decor, the channel where we explore all things home decor to make your spaces cozy, stylish, and seasonally on point. Today, we're diving into an exciting transformation, transitioning from French country decor to a modern farmhouse vibe, perfect for winter. Stick around for simple, elegant ideas that will inspire your home makeover. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, and let me know your favorite idea in the comments below. Now let's dive in. French country decor is all about rustic elegance, featuring soft colors, vintage-inspired furniture, and natural materials like wood and linen. The style often incorporates floral patterns, ornate details, and a cozy lived-in feel that feels timeless. In winter, French country interiors exude warmth with creamy whites, muted blues, and touches of gold. Think of inviting textures like toile curtains, distressed wood finishes, and soft throws. These elements lay the foundation for a perfect seasonal transition. Modern Farmhouse is where cozy meets contemporary. Clean lines, neutral palettes, and industrial touches characterize this aesthetic, creating a fresh yet warm ambience. It's all about blending functionality with charm. For winter, Modern Farmhouse often embraces minimalist decor with lots of white, natural wood, and matte black accents. It's versatile, making it an excellent style to pair with seasonal elements like greenery and soft textiles. Start your transformation with a palette shift. Replace the muted blues and golds of French country with neutral tones like white, beige, and light gray, accented with black or natural wood for a modern farmhouse feel. You can keep the warmth by adding cozy elements in soft textures like wool or knit blankets, but opt for monochrome or subtle patterns instead of florals. This shift creates a cleaner, streamlined base for your decor. Swap out ornate French country furniture for simpler, more streamlined pieces. For example, replace a carved wooden coffee table with a reclaimed wood or metal-framed option that feels more industrial. Keep comfort at the forefront by choosing functional yet stylish furniture. Oversized armchairs and neutral upholstery work wonders to bridge the styles while adding a modern farmhouse vibe. Lighting can dramatically transform a space. Swap out crystal chandeliers for black or matte metal pendant lights to introduce modern farmhouse sophistication. Add cozy layers with table lamps and sconces featuring clean lines and industrial finishes. Look for warm-toned Edison bulbs to maintain a cozy, inviting atmosphere. French country decor often features ornate frames or pastoral scenes. To shift to modern farmhouse, swap these for minimalist prints or black and white photography in sleek frames. Consider gallery walls with neutral, symmetrical layouts or a single large statement piece to add a contemporary touch without overwhelming the space. Retire the toile and floral patterns, and bring in solids or subtle stripes and plaids. Think creamy whites, grays, and soft blacks in throws, pillows, and curtains. Layer different textures like chunky knit blankets or faux fur rugs to keep the space warm and inviting while maintaining the sleek simplicity of modern farmhouse. French country often uses floral arrangements in bright or pastel colors. For a modern farmhouse look, opt for greenery like eucalyptus, pine, or olive branches in simple vases. Use natural elements sparingly, focusing on clean arrangements. Faux greenery can also work beautifully for a low-maintenance option. If you have a fireplace, make it the centerpiece of your winter decor. Replace ornate French country mantles with simpler, rustic wood beams or painted brick finishes. Dress the mantle with modern farmhouse accents like black lanterns, neutral candlesticks, or a mix of textured vases filled with seasonal greenery. Transition your dining room by replacing French country table settings with neutral or natural tones. A wooden farmhouse table with simple, white dishware sets the stage perfectly. Accent with metal chargers, linen napkins, and matte black flatware. Add a statement centerpiece like a long wooden tray with candles and greenery for a sophisticated winter look. Modern farmhouse kitchens shine with simplicity. Replace ornate French country accessories with streamlined items like black or white ceramic canisters and open shelving. Incorporate functional decor like cutting boards, metal baskets, and wooden trays. A vase with fresh or faux greenery adds a hint of nature. For your bedroom, switch out floral bedding for solid or subtly patterned comforters in soft neutrals. Add layers with textured blankets and throw pillows in complementary tones. Consider modern bedside tables and black or wood-framed lamps for added style. A woven rug can complete the modern farmhouse look while keeping your feet cozy in the winter months. To tie everything together, use understated seasonal decor like pine cones, candles, or simple wreaths. Modern Farmhouse embraces minimalism, so choose pieces that complement rather than overwhelm. Add personal touches with family photos in modern frames or small stacks of neutral-toned books for a cozy, lived-in look that feels authentic. Thank you so much for joining me on this decor journey. I hope these tips have inspired you to transform your space from French country to modern farmhouse, bringing fresh and cozy vibes to your winter home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next design adventure. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay cozy and creative.